everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, I am currently in Italy. As you know, I am seeing family. We are seeing Raf's mom, my husband's mom. If you don't know, she's going through a couple of medical things, so we're here to support and help her. But while I was here, I did pop into the Louis Vuitton store just to have a look around and just kind of see, and I did find something that I was really interested in. And I have actually seen this in store before, but I didn't end up picking it up the first time I saw it, and I don't know why, because the second time I saw it in store, like this time in Italy, oh my god, I was like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. So they gave me the cutie little Christmas packaging. Are we joking? I've never had holiday packaging from like any fashion house. I'm so excited about it. And here we are. Here she is. Oh my god, she's like perfectly wrapped. She looks stunning and gorgeous. Now, I know that I said in like my last unboxing video that I wasn't gonna have any more unboxings for the year of 2023, but I didn't know I was coming to Europe. So at the time I said that, I had no idea that I was coming to Europe. Here we are. But this will be the last unboxing of 2023. I mean, it's Black Friday as I'm filming this. Happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate. That was yesterday, but yeah, it's Black Friday as I'm filming this. But yeah, this will be my last unboxing of 2023. This is probably one of the most beautiful boxes that I've seen in a long time. Like, the girl did such a good job of wrapping this. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear a bunch of noise in the background. We are currently in a city, so there's like a bunch of city noises. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox without any further ado. Now, I might have another unboxing just to show later on, but that is going to be from my mom. My mom might decide to pick something up while I'm here, but it's not going to be mine. So if I do another unboxing, just know it's for my mom, and I'll specify. But here is the Louis Vuitton box. And then when you open it up, it like fits so well. Like, it's, I don't know, I feel like this is some of the best Louis Vuitton packaging that I've gotten so far, because oh my god, it just fits so nicely in here. But leave a comment down below, let me know what you think I got, and then come back and tell me if you were right. But leave me a comment down below first saying what you think I got, because here we go. Do you see it? Guys, oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so if you cannot tell, I did pick up the Pochette Métis East West. Now, like I said again, I have talked about this bag before, and I even tried it on at the boutique in Nashville. And as you know, I did not end up picking it up because I was like, I looked at it, I liked it, but I wasn't in love with it. But I still like kept looking at Pochette Métis East West after seeing it in Nashville, and I still liked the shape. I still liked the idea of the bag, but I was just like, oh, I don't know, maybe I'll find something else. But then I went to Louis Vuitton here in Italy, and I just asked if they had it because my mom also wanted to see it too. I wanted to send her a few pictures of some of these bags so she could decide on what she wants. And I was like, oh my god, do you happen to have the Pochette Métis East West? And they did, and they brought it out to me, and I was just like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I actually did not even get the one on display. I saw one, then I left, and then like the day after I was gonna go back and buy it, but then they said that it had already been sold, so they ordered me this one directly from Paris. Now, they said that it was made directly for me, like it was made for me in Paris, which I don't know if I believe that, because like, don't they have like a bunch of stock of these? Like, I don't know. They placed the order and then it arrived in about 5 days to the store in Italy from Paris. And I don't know if they like made it directly, like from scratch for me. or if they just had like an extra stock. But they said that this one had never been displayed. It still has all of the tape on it, and the girl said that this one has like never been touched. It even has all of the tape on the chain here as well, which I personally like. I'm glad that I got this one instead of the display one that they had, because they only had one available, and I'm glad that I waited and got a brand new one, because the display one was fine. There was nothing wrong with it, but you know, it had been handled, people had been like trying it on, wearing it and stuff. And this one, you can just tell is like nearly perfect. Like there's not really anything wrong with it. The only thing that I do see, and I've already inspected this a lot, but this right here, if you can see, is not 100% flat. Like it has like a tiny little bit of like bulging right here. So like the fabric is not 100% flat, if that makes any sense. But I was thinking that's a little bit nitpicky to send this back over that. So I ended up keeping it. I ended up going ahead and buying it, and I absolutely love it. So here's what the front looks like. And then here's what the side looks like. And then the back, it does have this cutie little back zipper. And then the other side, it does of course come with this beautiful gold chain that apparently a lot of people don't like. Every single review that I've seen on this bag, people are like, I don't like the gold chain. I would never wear the gold chain. I like it. I think it's cute. I don't think that I would wear it by itself, maybe like a nighttime situation, but it does come with this really nice gold chain. And then you can also top handle it, but like, I don't know. I don't think I would ever top handle this bag, because the top handle is like 3 centimeters long. So I don't think that I would top handle it. But to open it, you press this little button right here and it opens, and it comes with a crossbody strap / shoulder strap. So you do have multiple ways of carrying the bag, and this is how I will most likely wear it. And even these still have all of the like tape or like cellophane on it, which is great. So I'm just gonna attach it like this, and then I'll put the other one over here. Now, I love the idea of wearing this as a shoulder bag. I also love the idea of it being a crossbody, but you can adjust it. So right now it's kind of set to the shoulder strap length, because that's how I will probably wear it most of the time. But you can adjust it for it to be a longer strap. Okay, I don't actually know where I left off on, because I just had like a tiny baby little freak out, because I thought that the straps were messed up, but turns out I had it on upside down. So it was my fault. Everything is totally fine. So what I was trying to show you a second ago is that you can adjust the strap. So this right here is the shoulder strap way, which I personally love wearing this shoulder. It's so stinking cute. It's quite long as well, so you have like a generous shoulder strap drop. So even if you're wearing a coat or like a super bulky sweater, you could definitely still wear this on your shoulder without it looking weird. So then you just take the little buttons right here and you can just like unsnap them. And then I don't know exactly, because this bag is very new. Like again, it hasn't been displayed or anything. So I think the leather is very stiff. So now you can adjust it and you can make it into crossbody. So we snap it here and then you snap it here. So now it's like a long shoulder bag or a crossbody. And I feel like it sits pretty good. It is a bit of a longer crossbody on me. I'm 5'5" for reference, and it does sit like directly at my hip right here, but I don't mind. I usually like my crossbodies to be a little bit higher. I like it when they sit like right under here, but this one's a little bit longer, but that's okay. But I personally will probably just end up wearing it shoulder. But it really is such a beautiful bag. I love the Louis Vuitton canvas. It is really pretty. I don't know if they have other ones of these. Like, I don't know if they've come out with like the reverse monogram or epi leather or any of the other leathers. I'm not sure, maybe in other countries, but in Europe, the only one that I've seen so far is this one. And then of course, like I said, it does have the back pocket. right here that you could probably, depending on what phone you have, you might be able to fit your phone back here. No, probably not. It is pretty shallow, but you could fit some like receipts or maybe a couple cards back there or something. But then going to the inside of the bag, again, you open it like that, very easy, and it does give the vibe of the old Pochette Matisse, but this one is going to be a lot smaller. Here's like the little QR code and all of the stuff. I'll just keep it in here. So you do have one back pocket at the very back right here, and then you have this bigger pocket back here. You have a little zippy pocket in the middle, like a coin purse, and then you have this one in the front. So two big pockets, a small pocket, and a coin purse. I personally wish that the coin purse pocket was not there. As you know, I have the same problem with my Coach pillow tappy bag, and it has that stupid zipper compartment in the middle, and I hate it. But c'est la vie. I don't know. I didn't mind it too much with this bag. Now, I have no idea how much this bag is going to fit because it is, I think, marketed as a small bag. It's definitely not as big as the regular Pochette Matisse. So let me actually go grab my current bag that I'm wearing, and I will see everything that I can fit from that bag into this bag. Also, of course, you can attach the chain onto the bag as well for it to have like a little bit of pizzazz, like a little accessory for the bag. And then if you wanted to, for some reason, you could swap and wear it shoulder with the chain strap and leave the leather strap down. I will probably either wear it like this with the chain strap down as like a little accessory and wear it with the leather strap shoulder or crossbody, or I'll just take the chain strap off entirely and just have it full canvas mode. So there's that, but I think it's so cute to have all these options. You could even take both of these off and wear it as a clutch or something. It has so much versatility. So I'm currently carrying my other Louis Vuitton bag. This is my only other Louis Vuitton bag that I have, and it's the Nano Speedy 2022 version, so it's like the newest Nano Speedy. So let me just take all of the stuff out of this that I currently have, and then I'll see how much can fit inside of the Pochette Matisse East-West. I pray that it can fit at least the same amount of stuff as my Nano Speedy, because I know that this bag is pretty small, but it's very wide, so you can actually fit a decent amount of stuff inside the Nano Speedy. So I'm honestly scared that this won't fit as much. It probably will. I'm sure it will. Let's see. I have my phone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so it is the biggest one. And let's see. Ooh, so my phone will not fit in the very back right here. Maybe if you had the regular 15, then you could stick it in the very back, but my phone will fit in this pocket right here. But I never put my phone in my bag. I always have it in like my hand or my pocket, like my pants pocket. So I'm gonna take this out, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max does fit in this bag if you were curious. But I do have my wallet. This is my Celine card holder that I love so much. I'm gonna put that in the front right here. This bag is pretty small. It's pretty tiny. Like literally my wallet takes up the entire front section almost. So then I have, let's see, I have my AirPods that I carry with me usually all the time. I'll just kind of stick those in the back section like this. I have my Chanel hand cream that can go in here in the back, and then I have my passport in case I need it, because with being in Italy, I usually do need my passport for certain things like tax refund and everything. I do have some euros just to have with me. I can actually put these in my handy dandy little coin section, my little coin pouch section. Or you could of course fit them in the back right here, or even right here if you wanted to do that. You know what, for my passport, I'm actually gonna put it in this back section. Yeah, it fits better in this back section right here. And then I have 2 lip balms. And you guys, I do also have sunglasses, but I have a feeling that, I don't know, like this is really, will this close? Yes, it will close, but it's like already very full. I think that having it this full is kind of like distorting the bag. I don't think that, it's a little lopsided, isn't it? Like a tiny little bit lopsided. This bag is pretty small. So if you need a bigger storage, then maybe having like this is too much. Maybe you would only be able to get away with like a card holder in this bag. Let me see if I can maneuver some stuff around and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did actually maneuver a few things around in this bag, and I did have to take out the Chanel hand cream, which is insane that this bag does not fit more than my Nano Speedy. This bag is like almost like, it looks so much bigger than the Nano Speedy, but like it's just very shallow. I still love the bag. Like, I'm just showing you what fits inside just so you can see. I'm not gonna return it. Like, I love the bag. I personally don't mind that it's pretty small. If I had a card holder instead of the big Celine wallet, maybe I could get away with putting a little more in, but you have to be very careful with bulky objects. So this right here is just a little too bulky for this bag, but I was able to get my sunglasses in this smaller front compartment, and then I just put my lip products on top like that. I moved my card holder back to this back pocket. That's all I can fit in this bag. Now, those are all my essentials, so I'm okay with it. I do wish I could fit like my mini pochette accessoire or something like that, but like absolutely no chance. But you can tell that it does not look too full anymore. Like, it is full, but it doesn't look wonky like it did before with the hand cream in there. Anyways, that has been my little unboxing of this bag and like what fits inside. I really like it. I'm really glad that I finally bit the bullet and got this bag. I think it's adorable, and I much prefer this, even though it's small, to the original Pochette Métis. I did not love the original Pochette Métis. I like this one so much more. That's been my little unboxing. Tell me in the comments what you think of this bag. Tell me, if is she on your radar? Do you want to also get this bag? Do you already have this bag? If you do, let me know how you've gotten on with it in the comments. And yeah, just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And then guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!